friends. Okay, so we have some interesting news of some P&G and detergent clearance, which is the bread and butter for most couponers. Currently, it's just a little bit off by a couple of dollars for a lot of this stuff over at the Home Depot. But every Thursday, it seems like it's going to be dropping a little bit more. You can check for this online through their website, and then just see like what's clearing out and so on and so forth. But this is the first week where I saw some of these drops of their detergent, which is like, again, an item we absolutely love. This Gain Flings with Oxy Waterfall 60 count, which is a larger container, $15.97 down to $12.78, so $3 off, not bad. Every Thursday, keep going to the app or the website to see if it's going to drop more. What makes this really interesting until September the 9th, so we still have weeks to play with this. If you're going to buy $100 of P&G merchandise, including clearance, you're going to get 25 off, 75, 15 off. It doesn't get any better than that. And if you remember a couple weeks back, there was a whole bunch of floor care mops and so on and so forth. This Scotch Guard, which is a carpet protector or a rug protector, the original price was $9.98. It's down to $1. So if you had your eye on this, a lot of stores still have a bunch. I don't know if they're discontinuing this or they won't be selling it there anymore. I don't know, but 90% off. Very interesting. Always don't be shy to look in that clearance section over at the Home Depot. Now, a lot of these items I'm going to show you, just keep an eye out for if you want to look them up from the comforts of your home on the app. Obviously, when this stuff goes probably 50, I think it's still going to be in the store. When it goes 75, it's going to start flying very quickly. But I think the average shopper for like $3 off or even at 50%, I think a lot of this stuff will just stay. That Gain Apple Mango Tango scent beads, I'm seeing that at a lot of stores. We have Old Faithful, which is the Tide. It is like the powdered detergent for $15.98. Original price $22, so like $5 off. That's a harder one to sell, so that will still be around. We have some wonderful Gain dryer sheets, but not a lot off on this. So this is just, keep an eye out on the following. And when it drops to 75, I'm going to let you guys know because it's going to fly out of the store. And this is the Gain 60 counter of the flings for $12.78. I would wait for a bigger drop because there's still a lot left at the store. We have this big softener for $11.66. On a non-sales week at Walgreens, $12.99 with a $3 digital is $9.98. Still not good enough for an extreme couponer. And we also have these Tide Simplies for $8.38. So with that, spend 75, get 15 off. All of these products would be part of it that I just showed you. The next batch will not be because they're different companies. I believe this color catcher is an SC Johnson product. Yeah, it says it on the front. This color catcher, if you've never used it, it's basically a little piece of, it looks like a dryer sheet. And if you're washing like whites and blacks and pinks, the colors don't bleed. It's magic in a box. I'm a big user of these. We have the Persil. Again, this is a detergent from Germany. A lot of people love it, but not everybody runs out and buys it. I think there will be a good amount of this left because it's not going to go even at 50%. I don't think. Just a prediction. And then the Persil pods out again. When this did show up, I think in 2017 over here in the US markets, they had a lot of high value coupons. So there's still a loyal following, but a lot of this stuff at the local Home Depot might not move. And the all packs for $12.78, original price $16 and some change. So we'll have to wait and see. Getting out of the Home Depot, this is one product I know at Walmart. I did not see it at the Home Depot, but they're called Tide Tiles. I think this is going to go on clearance at all the stores probably this fall. It is my prediction. And because this is a product that most of us have never tried, I really, really think we're going to get it at 75, maybe 90% off. Walgreens, Meijer, Walmart, those good stores. The last store that I have prepared of some hot clearance laundry edition is Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. And we're just going to blast through these really quickly. They have a wonderful assortment of P&G products. that are a couple dollars off. Very similar pricing to Home Depot. There is a 15 off of 50 till the middle of the month, so that's working with a lot of this clearance stuff, but make sure you open your shop and scan to ensure that these items are attaching. There's also additionally other digital coupons, which are manufacturers that are attaching, making some of this stuff super uber cheap. Um, so yeah, I definitely scan whatever catches your fancy, but 384 for those Downy scent beads, like a lot of this stuff is just a really like it's just smart shopping, I think, especially if some of this stuff is your favorite. Apple Mango Tango was not on clearance at this one location, but this odor defense one was, so a different list perhaps. That Tide Clean Boost, which is a really great product. There's a $3 digital, making it $6 and some change, which is really nice. And there's a Downy called Cherry Blossom. It's in a white bottle. There it is. There's another $3 digital attaching to that friend, making it $6.44. So definitely Home Depot and Meijer, look in those aisles because there's some amazing savings to be found. And what will it be when it goes 75? So do your homework. What does your store have? And then I would definitely, at 75, make some deals happen. Bye, guys.